Hey, welcome back to another video of how to use basics. In this video, we are going to learn how to import a private keys in Bither Crypto Wallet. First of all, find and open Bither application on your device and log in using your credentials. Now go to Settings icon, which is at the top right corner of your screen. After that, click on Advanced Options. Here, you need to find Import Private Key button. Find and click on it. Now you will be prompted with two options. The first option is to import the private key from QR code. Click on it and scan the QR code to import a private key. The another is from your private key text. Click on it and type in the text on this field here. After typing in, you can click on OK button and your private key address will be imported in your account. So that is how you can import a private key in Bither Crypto Wallet. Thank you for watching this video. Please do not forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel and comment down if you have any queries.